Welcome to MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks. Today we're on a 2008 Sea Ray 44 Sundancer. This one just got out of the shed, as you can see. Fresh buff wax and bottom paint, looking really sharp. I'm inside here, looking through the swim platform. Nice big platform on these. Less storage in the transom trunk there. Walking into the cockpit. All this cockpit seating is in great shape. No rips, tears, or torn seams at the piping. Everything looks great. This one does have cockpit AC. All right. Storage, trash, refrigerator there. You see a custom LED blue lighting as well as an upgraded stereo. The captain and co-captain seat look great. This is an '08, so a DTS boat. Upgraded electronics and thruster. This boat's sitting right under 250 hours on the mains, 450 on the generator. Coming down in the cabin. This is a one owner boat, stored on Lake of the Ozarks here from new. See, all the cabinets are in perfect condition. Everything looks great. Even this table's looking great. No ghosting on it. Here's your main cabin there. The bow, as well as your head. And your shower. Galley over here to starboard. Got your flip down TV up top. Then back here you have your mid cabin. Everything's in great shape. And of course, mid cabin's bathroom. So if you're interested in a freshwater 1 hour low hour 44 Sundancer, don't wait. This one, it's all upgraded, everything you need. Thanks, have a great day.